Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Voicemeeter Banana with OBS. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that everything is already set up here on your Voicemeeter. In my case, I have my microphone, I have everything set up. So if you want to use your Voicemeeter, it's as simple as clicking on this button right here, click on properties, and then you have your device. You can just select the Voicemeeter output. In my case, it's going to be the Voicemeeter out B1, and I already have it selected, but in your case it will be selected into something like default or the microphone that you are currently using. So if I switch off my Voicemeeter, my voice will go ahead and change, as you can see. And if we switch back, we will be able to use Voicemeeter. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.